All right, hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing another quick textbook review. So this is Thermodynamics, Statistical Thermodynamics, and Kinetics by Thomas Engel and Philip Reed. So this is kind of an interesting book because I think this was mostly written for people who are interested in chemistry, for chemistry students, but it also covers quite a number of topics in statistical mechanics. So let's have a look here at the table of contents. So here you can see we start with some fundamental concepts, and we get to heat and work, first law of thermodynamics, eventually second and third laws. And then we get into a lot of chemistry stuff, which again, if you're interested in physics, which is more the focus of this channel, then maybe you can skip some of these chapters, but it's still interesting stuff. And then towards the end of the book, they get into things like the Boltzmann distribution and the canonical ensemble and statistical thermodynamics and so on. So they get a little bit more into the statistical physics towards the end of the book. One thing that is interesting about this book is that it's not particularly mathematically intensive. You do need calculus and you need some knowledge of logarithmic functions and basic stuff like that. But compared to, I think, most thermal physics or statistical physics textbooks, I think it's not as mathematically heavy. And I don't know why that is. It might be because it's written for chemistry majors who maybe don't take as many advanced math classes as physics majors. But yeah, it's quite interesting. And then importantly here, you'll also see that if you're going to use a textbook like this to self-study, it's always important to check. They do have answers to the end of chapter problems. So that's always useful if you're self-studying. So yeah, it's a pretty cool book. We've got lots of nice graphics and pictures too. Let's find some better ones. I don't know. But yeah, really cool book. I think if you're interested in chemistry and physics and sort of applications and similarities between the two, this might be a nice book to pick up. It's also nice if you want maybe an introduction to statistical physics or thermodynamics that isn't super mathematically intense. Anyway, just a short video today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.